Are you tired of editing every quote manually because your Odoo price lists aren't set up? Create a custom price list in under 3 minutes with this step-by-step guide. First, we'll turn on the Pricelists feature in Settings. Then, we'll navigate to Products and create a new price list, adding your pricing rules.
All right, the first thing you'll do is open up your Odoo homepage, the starting point for everything.
Then, go ahead and click on the Sales option to get into the Sales module. Now look for Configuration at the top bar and give that a click. In Configuration, you'll want to click on Settings to open up the Settings page. Scroll down to find the Pricing section, which is where all the pricing options live. Then, click on the Price Lists checkbox to enable that feature. Once you've done that, hit Save at the top left corner to apply the change. Now that price lists are enabled, click on Products at the top bar to jump back to the product area. Then from there, select Price Lists from the menu to see the Price List screen. To create a brand new price list, click the New button at the top left. You'll get a blank form, so type in a name for your price list. Next, you'll need to add a line to your price list. On that line, choose the product you want to include in this pricing. Then select a price type for that product. For the price type, you can pick from discount, formula, or a fixed price. If you go with fixed price, simply type in the price you want to charge. When you're finished, you can click Save and Close, or choose Save and New if you want to keep adding lines. And just to be safe, click the Save button at the top left to make sure your price list is saved, and you're all set. If you have any feedback, or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.